Do you know what kind of status someone had in 1999 if they could drive this gold badge Crown 155? This was not an ordinary Crown. It was Toyota's top-level VIP sedan. Back then, once the gold badge was mounted, its presence completely dominated every car in its class. It was a true symbol of power and status from that era. This car witnessed the business legends of an entire generation, but after more than 20 years of wind and rain, it is now covered in damage. Most exterior parts are cracked with scratches and peeling paint everywhere. All the once shining chrome trim has oxidized badly. The most heartbreaking part is the chassis years of harsh weather and rough roads caused rust in many places. All the rubber bushings have aged and loosened, and every drive comes with constant rattling, making the whole car feel like it is falling apart. The solid luxury feel it once had is completely gone. Today, we are giving this legendary machine a second life. The entire body will be stripped and sanded before being repainted. In the original factory color, all gold badges and chrome trim will be fully restored. The bushings, control arms, and suspension components will all be replaced to completely eliminate looseness and noise. Every detail inside and out will be carefully rebuilt without ignoring a single flaw. Next comes the full disassembly and restoration process as we bring this sleeping king back to its former glory after 25 years. Dust is flying everywhere, and one deep breath feels like a direct trip to the human repair shop. This time, the interior will stay completely original. A full cleaning and restoration is enough to preserve its authentic classic feel. The rear windshield is removed, and the exterior will be fully stripped down for repainting. Once the site is finished, drive it away for exterior renovation. I'm looking forward to seeing how handsome he looks after the original paint is removed. cover everything with protective film and prepare to spray high-quality water-based paint. High-quality parrot paint has a better overall texture and looks more beautiful. Now we begin reassembling the entire car and reinstall all the fully restored exterior parts. Behold the domineering appearance of a king returning to reality. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.
Back in May, the year before last, I bought this 2005 machine from a friend for just $1,500. It was once the king of the open road, but now it had lost all its shine. The body was covered in scars and many parts were aged and cracked. It no longer had the power to chase the wind and felt more like a warrior abandoned by time. But true passion never lets a classic fade away. Before it arrived, we had just finished working on a few other builds and finally had the time to start restoring this 1,000 cubic centimeter beast.